Hello, in this video I am going to talk about JOHNN-E-B's upgraded wiring for the DC motors. In the previous video I showed you that I used jumper wires that had male and female ends to make connections or to separate connections with the motors to the microcontroller. But that is time consuming and requires both hands. I wanted to simplify the process, so I went ahead and installed some ruckus switches and replaced the wiring. So now I can simply press the ruckus switches to complete the circuit or to disconnect the circuit. This comes in very handy and it's very fast. I chose ruckus switches that did not have lights. Some ruckus switches light up when you turn the switch to on. These do not. I did not want to have some type of interference or noise or corruption in the signal that's being sent to the motors from the microcontroller. The microcontroller sends pulse width modulation signals to control the speed that the motors rotate at. So now let's give a demonstration of the process. In this video I have programmed each motor to rotate in such a way that JOHNN-E-B will turn clockwise and counterclockwise repeatedly. So now I'm going to turn the motors on, close the master switches, and now JOHNN-E-B is going to rotate clockwise and counterclockwise repeatedly. Thank you for watching.